Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change Etsy ads daily budget. Do you need to increase or decrease your Etsy ads budget? Here's how to change it quickly. Now, we're gonna follow some few simple steps, but before we do that, I'm gonna give you a quick guide on how to start your shop on the Etsy platform. You're either gonna use the Etsy website or the Etsy app that you can download via the Play Store or App Store on your mobile device, depending on which device you're using. Now, once you finish, you're gonna go to the website and then you're gonna click and make sure to sign in with your account. Then you're gonna click here and click on this drop down menu and you're gonna see an option here that says become a seller. You're gonna click on it and you're gonna be directed to this page where you can set up your shop preferences, you can name your shop and how you will get paid, and you can share your bill infos and your shop security. Now, once you finish setting up your store, after that, you're gonna click the shop manager. You're gonna start selling. And to set up your daily budget, the first thing you wanna do is to click on marketing, then select Etsy ads. Now, from the Etsy ads, you're gonna select manage your budget, and then you're gonna edit the budget. You're gonna find your current daily budget at the top, and then click the budget amount edited. After that, you're going to enter a new daily amount. You can type your new budget and confirm, and changes apply immediately. You can also increase budget during high traffic seasons and reduce it during slower periods. And that's it. That's how you change your Etsy daily budget in just a few simple clicks. And if you like this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe and leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.